Hey guys, what did you just do?
I did like a space mission control.
Was it there?
Yeah, right there. We did the hardcore one, not the.
Look at the Guardian of the Galaxy, we are going on the next. That's the Guardian right there.
But apparently, I don't think you can film. So I'll tell you how it goes.
Yeah, you can film in Guardian. So we're gonna let you know how it turned out.
We tried going there, like.
We went there a couple of times already.
But they wouldn't let us film for something. So we'll tell you like after.
And we already went to the spaceship Earth, right?
Yeah.
How was it?
Simple.
Okay.
Ours is hard.
Yeah. We have the video to prove it. So keep subscribing, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. Which was your best part? Okay. And if you do wanna see more content, please support me on my Slack.
It's my channel. Not I stole yours.
It's Godspeedra.
I stole yours.
Hi guys. Hi guys. This is Rakib and no, if you want to take a picture and meet Moana.
I don't want to do this. I
don't
want to
wanna do
ride. Can you check your phone what rides? Can you check all the rides? I want to go on all
Oh,
the rides.
it's sensor. You can do things like Moana. This is so much fun. Ayan, go ahead.
Oh, what?
You stand there and move your hand. You have to wait for your turn. যাও ঢুকে যাও ঢুকো হাত নড়াবা It's so much fun, guys. Try to send it to the right. Oh wow. Raimar, you have to send it to the left. How is that happening?
You stand on that and then
It's my turn now.
Stick your hand through the middle.
No, you have to do it here, I guess. Oje, এখানে হাত দাও. You have to do like this. You can try it. Try it. Yes. পারছো মামা? ও তুমি করবা এটা? রাইমা এটাই আসো, এটা আসো, এ যাচ্ছে। ও ওয়াও, রাইমা আসো, রাইমা এই যে এইটাই। Oh, look at this, Mama. No, no, like this. Ayan, look, look. I got the power. I got the power. You guys? You guys are no fun. I got the power. Look how high. Oh, Mama. এইদিকে দাঁড়াও, এইদিকে দাঁড়াও, এইদিকে দাঁড়াও। Look at that. What's her name? No, not the lady's name. Raiman, এখানে দাঁড়াও, এখানে দাঁড়াও। Hey guys. মামা আসো, লোক তোমার পিছনে লাইন দিয়ে দাঁড়ায় আছে।